Education is often associated with formal schooling, but true wisdom goes far beyond the confines of traditional institutions. Self-awareness and education is a lifelong process that involves continuous learning and deep exploration. It delves into the depths of our own being, unraveling layer by layer, deeper awareness and understanding. Today, we're going to discuss how self-education, psychological correspondence, spiritual significance, and diving into the subconscious realm all have effects on our future self. Number 1, cognitive development. Self-education expands our cognitive capacities, allowing us to acquire knowledge, develop critical thinking skills, and broaden our intellectual horizons. It involves exploring various topics and subjects, questioning assumptions, and engaging in intellectual pursuits that stimulate growth. Number 2, emotional intelligence. Self-education also encompasses emotional intelligence, which involves understanding and managing our emotions and empathizing with others. It helps us to develop self-awareness, emotional regulation, and nurturing relationships built on empathy and compassion. Number 3, self-reflection and self-awareness. Self-education invites us to engage in deep self-reflection to cultivate true self-awareness. It involves time for introspection, time to examine our thoughts, beliefs, values, and behaviors to understand how exactly they are shaping our experiences and our interactions. The spiritual perspective. Inner awakening. Self-education takes on a spiritual dimension as we embark on the path of self-discovery and self-realization. It involves delving into the depths of our being, connecting with our innate inner wisdom, and cultivating a profound understanding of ourselves far beyond the limitations of the ego and personality. Transcending illusions. Through self-education, we become aware of the illusions and conditioning that have shaped our perceptions and beliefs. By transcending these illusions, we gain clarity and access to deeper truths about ourselves and the world around us. Uncovering historical traumas. Self-education offers an opportunity to explore the subconscious realm and uncover historical traumas that have influenced our behavior and patterns. It allows us to begin to understand the roots of our reactions and responses, paving the way for future healing and growth. Family and collective programming. Self-education sheds light on the influence of family upbringing and collective programming. It helps us recognize inherited patterns and beliefs, empowering us to break free from limiting narratives and create new possibilities for ourselves. Empowerment and transformation. Continuing this process of self-development facilitates personal empowerment and ultimately transformation. By integrating self-awareness, healing, and conscious choices, we can transcend old patterns, beliefs, and cycles, embracing a life aligned with our true, authentic selves.